Your life doesn't change in a day, it changes in your daily habits. Welcome to Aurabloom, where we go from raw to royal, one small choice at a time. How to build the two version of you. Today is day 11, and we're diving deep into the truth most people ignore. Your habits shape your identity. Not your past, not your looks, not your money. Today marks a new journey, not of motivation, but of identity. If you're still waking up as the old version of you, the one who overthinks, doubts, delays, and self-sabotage, it's time to shift. You become your two version the moment you start doing things we would do. Ask yourself, how does I start my morning? What kind of thoughts am I thinking? How does I am show up on Instagram, at work, in my business? What I am going to wear? Eat? Read? Stop. Asking how to change, start acting like the version who's already changed. If you feel stuck, overwhelmed, or lost, it's not your fault, but staying stuck is a habit too. So let's break that cycle. Here's how to build your two version. 1. Change your environment. Clean your space. Play luxury music. Set digital boundaries. Your external world affects your internal beliefs. 2. Change your routine. Wake up with intention, journal like a CEO, plan like a billionaire, read like a leader. 3. Speak like the person you want to be. Use affirmations. I am the two version of me. I am successful. I lead with peace and power. I do hard things with ease. 4. Take aligned actions daily. The two version of you doesn't wait for motivation, to moves, to speaks, to shows up. You don't need perfection, you need consistency. You don't need motivation, you need a system. Your dream life isn't far away. It's hidden inside the habits you repeat when no one's watching. This is Aurabloom, and this is your gentle reminder. Royal isn't loud, royal is intentional. If you want a new life, you need to show the universe a new version of you. Welcome to day 11. This is the beginning of your next level. Your turn today. Start with one habit, build the rest, and we'll see the change. Subscribe to Aurabloom. Your glow up is not a trend, it's a lifestyle. Raw to royal. Thanks for watching. Love you all.